Hey everybody, Carlos Diaz here, once again from tradingmission.com. Omega was trading in 4 side effects with a live case study. So this is a continuation of a couple of trades that I've been doing on and videos that I've done in the last couple of days, following along with the exact same line of thought process. I'm on a 30-minute chart, and the oil report just came out right now as we speak at 10:30. So the thing that we need to focus on is that I was bearish into the market. We can clearly see here new lows have been taking in place. So where is it that I can short this market with high probability? Guys, we do not change the perspective of what we're looking for. Obviously, we do not trade on the report itself, but I am going to show you most likely that this is a repetitive process over and over again. Right off the bat, if I go back in time, I'm going to be using the lines here. Basically, I notice here that the market is going up on the report. That's pretty normal, and this is a swing low where there is a high probability of this support that we left up in the last video as a strong support area. And the other thing that we need to pay close attention is that this low right here was taken already, and the target that we left since the last video was reached perfectly. Now the question is, the report is coming out. Is this going to be a positive or negative? In the reality, I'm going to keep the same structure here. I will not become a buyer unless this high all the way up is being taken. So that's giving me the thought process that these guys most likely are faking out and probably going to continue down to further targets down. So where that target was, I think we got one right here at the 51.59 level, and the next question would be, where is it that I can short this market? All right, so the same thing will apply. I will just bring in the tools, and we only need one. So the first thing that I identify here is this support right here, and this is another support. So let's just take this same lines and represent those as the supports. And this is the average of the support that we were looking for before, and I want to make sure these guys are going to reach those levels, and indeed probably we can sell from those points on a rejection area. I'm on a 30-minute chart. It's easier that way. From high to low, we got a 61.8 all the way up here. I'm going to mark this as a 61.8, and the next one that I'm really interested in right now is going to be this pullback area, and I notice that the next upcoming 61.8, it's right in there. It's that 52.68 area. So most likely this is the area that I want to look for a potential sell setup. I'm going to label that, and now what I'm going to do is go drop down into a 5-minute and look for an opportunity to short the market. We already know for a fact that 61.8 is right in there. And all I'm looking for is potential failure of this. So let's just give it about 5 more minutes and we'll know what we should do. Alright guys, here we are back again. So here's the opportunity. You see the mean reversion taking in control after the report. So basically this could be a good opportunity for us to short this. So I'm going to put a sell limit right at the 61.8 and see if we can get filled. There it is. We're filled. And basically what we're going to do, I'm going to try to go for at least pretty much 10 ticks. These are actually 15 ticks. On the downside, I don't need this anymore. I know where to place my stop though, which is above on the swings high right here that they just left behind. So I'm going to go for 15 ticks. And basically I'm going to use the exact same process here. You notice this support at the 45, we got multiple support here at the 35 and 53. So I'm going to put this around right at the top. That's going to be my first target, the retest of the swing high. And then pretty much I'm going to be using this swing low area as a potential target. If I go back in time, there's nothing else that I can use, so I'm going to use this price structure in here, or stick with your objective of today, which is for us is about to focusing on either 10 to 20 ticks. So you know what, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go for 10 ticks, so 15. That's going to be 12, which is acceptable. It's one tick higher than those triple high. There you go. And then I am going to go with about 47 for 20. Alright, so let's see what this brings. Alright guys, we're back, and as you can see, here we go. We're going to be quick. Just trying to create a quick video here. You can see how this repeats itself over and over again if you know what to look for when you combine the price action as well as a simple strategy with the Fibonacci or the golden mean. Alright guys, so as to further show you a little bit better, I'm not going to explain the reason on the how this was meant to come by, but basically today's forecast after the report, it means that the market should reach at least a 52.15 area. So I'm going to move that in there, and I'm going to just play along with this one as the market moves in. I think I'm going to go with the original 50 level area. This looks absolutely great, and we should get at least those it's going to be 17 ticks, really good. Actually, I'm going to try to go for 20 ticks in this one. Right, so I'll pause a bit and bring it back in a moment. Alright, here we go. We're approaching the 20 ticks that I was looking for. I really knew exactly that we're going to reach it. There you go. That's our first 20, because we knew exactly that they needed to come back and retest the support area. Now, basically, we don't need to risk more than this. This is a free ride, or I'm betting that the market is going to reach. I'm not even going to talk about anymore about the supports here. This is one of the key factors of forecasting price movements. My price movement into the future right now, we're expecting 52.15 to be pretty much the very next upcoming level. Although I know this might turn this video a little bit long, I'm going to try to pause the video, and as soon as I hit the next upcoming target at the 39, I think this is pretty much already what you needed to see in front and live. Alright, so let's just I'm going to pause the video and bring back once they go through the 40 level and 39, which is the next upcoming support and resistance or price action expected move. Alright, here we go, next target coming up. I just wanted to give you the benefit and the opportunity to watch live as this evolves. These are predicted levels that we teach, and you'll learn how to do it. So basically, just imagine once you have the knowledge and the skill set to understand when the reversal might happen, even on the report day just like this, and on top of that, most likely which levels are they going to be most likely visiting, so you can use them as gauge or potential targets. There you go. That's the target of the 40 level, and the low was exactly 40. Boom, target hit. There you go, you can see it right there. That's the low right there. There you go. Next level down is going to be 52.15. We're going to try to write this all the way down. Here we go. Here we go, guys. So moving further, now it's time for us to lock in a couple of points right there. I would say 17. That's a previous one high. I'm going to go with about 15 ticks, letting it go. Here we go, guys. There you go. Next move up, 52.20 and 52.15. 20 being one of the magnets called by the market makers. Typically the 80s and 20s are the ones that they like to go for. You can clearly see here 52.80 being actually the top. That's another trick and trade that we share with you eventually. But they're going for the 20, and I'm going for 50. 52.15 because there's a well precise calculated level with high probability of being reached. Alright, so it's time for us to manage these trades. I'm going to put it right there, locking in over 30 ticks. 30 ticks to be precise. Standing by until the target is reached in any moment now. 52.15 coming up next. That's a 20. That's the 20 that I was mentioning you about. Any moment now. Looking awesome. And these guys are going to continue down, by the way. I think we got a further target all the way to 51.60. 51.60 for this morning after the report. So yeah, but for the sake of simplicity and explanation, I think this is pretty much done I'm gonna lock in here 40 ticks, and there you go, just in front of you, live. And this was all 100% forecasted. All right, that's 50 ticks. Let's see if we can get that 15 that we call up, or we go away with 40. Almost there. Come on, guys, one more tick. One more tick. Hopefully we don't miss it by one tick. There you go, and that's how it's done. There you go. So you saw it again. This is the second video in a row, just showing you the power of understanding what we're going to be teaching inside the inner circle, and basically understanding the price structure. You learned a lot just with the basics that I just provided to you. If this is indeed something that you might be able to walk and put to practice right now, let me know exactly how it goes and how this has helped you tremendously in your trading. That's all I need to know from your part, and hopefully this small training help you excel your trading into the next level. If you're looking for going into the very next upcoming, this is just about 10% of what we teach inside the inner circle. It's just more than enough for you to get started and jumpstart your trading evolution into the next level. But if you're looking for something even more, just go to our next webinar. We're going to be teaching you how to become a top-notch analyst and provide those services to yourself, colleagues, and other traders out there. If that's the route you're looking for, or even consider yourself going into the professional level, or work for a professional company, investment company, or hedge fund company, or management company. These skills are going to evolve. The way that you analyze the market, that's going to give you the edge that no one else will have. We are the best at what we do online, that's for sure, for over 10 years providing this information and services to our clients, and now we're opening the doors to give it to you if you give us the opportunity, and of course if that's exactly what you're looking for. All right, thank you for being here. This is Carlos Diaz from Omega's Trading LLC, tradingmission.com/facts, and I'll see you in the next video.